Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize high ground advantage in Overwatch. Improve sightlines. Utilize the high ground for clear views of the battlefield, allowing you to spot enemies earlier and plan your attacks. Cover advantage. Take advantage of natural cover on high ground to protect yourself while maintaining the ability to pick and shoot. Damage output. Increase your damage output by having a better angle to hit enemies, especially their vulnerable spots. Zone control. Use high ground to control specific areas of the map, denying enemy access or forcing them into unfavorable positions. Ultimate visibility. Gain better visibility of the battlefield to coordinate your ultimate effectively, maximizing its impact. Flanker awareness. Spot flankers early and adjust your positioning or inform your team to prevent surprise attacks. Supporting fire. Provide covering fire for your teammates on the ground, helping them advance or defend objectives more effectively. Escape route. Retreat to high ground when overwhelmed to reposition and avoid immediate danger. Objective defense. Defend objectives from high ground to have a clear view and control over enemy movements. Ambush positioning. Set up ambushes by attacking enemies from unexpected angles on high ground. Environmental kills. Use high ground to knock enemies off ledges or into environmental hazard for quick eliminations. Sniper nest. Utilize high ground as a sniper to maintain distance and accuracy, picking off enemies safely. Coordination with tanks. Coordinate with tanks to create a front line on high ground, making it harder for enemies to engage your team. Baiting tactics. Bait enemies into attacking you on high ground while your team prepares a counterattack or uses defensive abilities. Objective pressure. Apply pressure on objectives from high ground to force enemy into disarray and control the pace of the game. And that's how to utilize high ground advantage in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.